friends, hello guys. I hope you're doing okay. I hope you're keeping safe. I hope you did watch my previous videos because they are very interesting and very useful. So guys, today we are going to do a video on how you can gain 100 subscribers. But before we get into the video of the day, so let's help each other grow. So if you're watching this video and you have a channel, kindly comment below your link, and my subscribers will subscribe to your channel. Yeah, so if you have a channel and you want to help your channel grow, comment below on this post a positive comment accompanied by your link. So let's help each other grow. Hello guys, hello friends. I hope you're doing okay. I hope you've watched my previous videos. If you have not watched my previous videos, kindly don't forget to watch and subscribe. Also guys, I really want to appreciate you so much. I want to appreciate your support. I don't take it for granted. Also, I hope today's video is going to be helpful. I hope it will help you achieve your goals and dreams. So let's get into the video. So guys, today we are going to discuss on how you can get your 100 subscribers in 1 week. Yeah, so today I'm going to share the tips and techniques I use to get my 100 subscribers in 1 week. I did not get my subscribers in a day. I'm not going to lie to you guys. So it took me a whole week to get my first 100 subscribers, and I'm very grateful, yeah, because I know it's a journey, and one day this channel is going to be very big. Yeah, I believe that. So guys, there are very simple ways you can use to get your 100 subscribers, your first 100 subscribers, and I'm going to highlight the techniques I used. Most probably you guys have watched so many videos on how you can get 100 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers very fast, because personally I've watched like 100 videos on how I can get 1,000 subscribers. But today I'm going to share on how you can get your first 100 subscribers. Two simple ways, no rocket science. Guys, way number one you can use to get your 100 subscribers is, first of all, you have to share a video. Yeah, trust me, no one is going to subscribe to an empty channel. Yeah, you have to post something. Yeah, post something, post a video. It doesn't have to be something very perfect, it doesn't have to be something extraordinary, just post a video. Yeah, so way number two you can use to get your 100 subscribers is by sharing with your friends and family members, because I trust no one is alone. You have friends, your family members, you most probably have more than 50 friends and family members. So if you share your link to your friends and family members and just say to them, I have a channel coming up, kindly don't forget to subscribe. So most probably, like, some of them are going to support you, some of them are going to subscribe. So well and good, you're on the journey of getting your first 100 subscribers. So way number two is share with your friends and family members. Yeah, so the third way you can use to get your 100 subscribers, and this way is very useful and very helpful, is by joining Facebook groups. Yeah, so I don't know if you've heard this somewhere, I don't know if you've read this somewhere, because this way has really helped me so much. So that's why I'm sharing with you guys. So when I was starting, I read somewhere that you should join Facebook, YouTube groups, so that they can help you boost each other into gaining subscribers. So what I did is I made my Facebook account very useful. So today I'm very active on Facebook. I have joined the groups, and it has really helped me get to 600 subscribers. So another way you can use, or you can gain 100 subscribers, is by joining Facebook groups. Yeah, so guys, the summary of this video on how you can gain 100 subscribers in a week is: first, post a video. It doesn't have to be good. So just post a video. Secondly, share with your friends and family members. Third, make sure you share on other social media platforms. Fourth, make sure you join the Facebook groups and share your link on there. And also be consistent, and also change your profile photo on your channel. Yeah. So I hope these ways can be very useful, and let's grow together. Bye.